Hello beautiful creators, have you ever felt that sting of self-doubt? Because you have zero professional experience, but a heart full of passion and writing. Today I'm about to reveal a secret formula to build a freelance writing portfolio that can land you your first gig in just 24 hours. Yes, even if you are starting from the scratch. Imagine this, a portfolio so magnetic that clients can ask, "Can I see your work?" And guess what? I will show you exactly how to craft it using free tools like Medium for writing samples and Contra for designing a standout professional practice portfolio. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's create magic together. Before we talk about how-tos, let's talk about why. A portfolio is not about a collection of words on a page. It is a proof of your passion, creativity, and skills. It is the thing that clients ask for because it speaks louder than any resume ever could. Imagine meeting a potential client. Instead of endless questions about your experience, you simply show them your best curated work. And this is the great power of portfolio. Now, what do clients really want when they say, "Show me your work"? It is not just the words. They are looking for authenticity, consistency, and a clear demonstration of your unique voice. Now, let's talk a little bit more about quality over quantity. How one's outstanding piece can outshine many. Now, the first one is niche clarity. Focus your portfolio on areas where you excel. This can be tech, lifestyle, travel, or even finance. Number 2 is accessible presentation. Clients adore portfolios that are easy to read and navigate online. Now let's talk about platform. Where you host your work is important as work itself. I strongly recommend Medium for writing samples. It is clean, designed, and built-in audience, meaning that your article can shine without extra hassle. But what about building a portfolio that looks like a professional website? That's where Contra comes in. Contra is a fantastic for creating a structured, eye-catching online portfolio that is super accessible to your clients. So what you need to do is that you can head over to Google, then type in medium.com, fill up your profile, then start posting your writing samples here on Medium. There are more tips and tutorials to help you succeed on medium.com. You can head over to YouTube and then check them out. Again, head over to Google, then type in contra.com. Explore Contra's customizable templates to design a portfolio that reflects your personal brands. Compare these tools with other options like WordPress and clippings.me, so you know exactly why these two are your best bets. Okay, beautiful souls, now comes the creative heart of your portfolio, your writing samples. I know you might be thinking, "I have no professional work." Don't worry, this is where you get creative. Now, first one is that you need to choose your niche. Pick a topic that you are passionate about, be it travel guide or tech review. Number 2 is that you need to create from scratch. Write pieces that mimics real client work. Remember, work is the first thing clients love to ask about. Show off your ability to craft engaging narratives and solve problems. Number 3 is that you need to edit and polish. Edit meticulously. Consider using free tools like Grammarly to check grammar errors, and you can also have a friend to review your work. Once ready, polish your articles on Medium to reach a broader audience. Now that your writing samples are ready, let's build a portfolio that not only show off your work, but also reflect your unique personality. Designing your portfolio is about clarity, easy to navigate, and a touch of creative flair. Here are tips to help your portfolio stand out. Number one is that you need to have personal branding. Adding heartfelt about me section, where you share your dreams, inspiration, and journey. The second one is that make sure your portfolio is accessible to any device. Remember, a client should never have to download a PDF. Everything should be just a click away. On contrary, you need to choose templates, add images, and even embed multimedia elements to create a truly interactive element. Having a stunning portfolio is just the first step. It is time to put it out there and get noticed. Now share your work on LinkedIn, Twitter, and specialized Facebook groups to expand your reach. Crafting personalized pitches that shows you understand a client's need before they even ask. Engaging in online communities and forums where your ideal clients hang out. Here are tips that helped me to turn a simple portfolio into a gateway to a fulfilling freelance career. The first one is consistency and improvement. Regularly update your portfolio with new samples as you grow. Feedbacks are gold. Always ask your friends and mentors for honest reviews of your work. Ensure every piece is error-free and appealing. Let your true voice shine through clients. Then you need to connect with the genuine, passionate writers. Then you need to be proactive. Remember, don't wait for opportunities to come knocking. Go out there and create them. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we have learned today. You now understand why still a portfolio is your secret weapon to get hired. We've explored what clients really look for, quality, niche focus, and easy accessibility. I showed you how to use Medium for writing samples and why Contra is ideal for building a dynamic, accessible portfolio. So before you go, I would like to hear from you. What niche do you want to write about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so we can keep growing together. Remember, every great journey begins with a simple step, and your freelance career is just around the corner. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.